Social and emotional development is a crucial role in shaping a child's well-being and academic success. While this development begins during the primary education phase, its lessons are taught and learned all the way into high school. When students are equipped with strong social and emotional skills, they not only excel academically, but also develop resilience, empathy, and positive relationships, which are essential to navigating life and its challenges. Stay tuned for more info. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we discuss resilience and its effect in middle school. So, before we begin discussing how to support social and emotional development, let's define what it is. Social development encompasses a child's ability to interact with others, establish friendships, and maintain healthy relationships. Emotional development, on the other hand, refers to a child's capacity to recognize and manage their own emotions and understand the emotions of others. Both social and emotional development are connected and essential for building a well-rounded personality. The effects of supporting social and emotional development can be seen in academic performance, student relationships, social life, emotional regulation, as well as conflict resolution. While each student learns and employs these effects differently, supporting this development and noticing which areas are weaknesses can help the student develop these areas more rapidly and effectively. So this begs the question then, how do you support the development of both social and emotional development? Well, the first thing is to teach the student emotional literacy. Emotional literacy is taught by allowing children to recognize and express their emotions effectively. You can support this by opening a dialogue with the student about wanting to discuss their feelings. Making them comfortable in this environment is paramount, as students may be hesitant at first. Once they get comfortable, students will have an easier time opening up to you about what they feel at that moment. The second way to support is by empathy building. This is done by encouraging the development of perspective taking. Research shows that teenagers are not completely capable yet of understanding another's emotions and perspectives, but engaging the student with role-playing scenarios is a great way to start teaching perspective taking and the importance of understanding others' emotions. Their third way is teaching conflict resolution skills. Problem-solving techniques are an absolute must for students to learn by encouraging active listening, compromise, and guidance tips that will go a long way in teaching students how to deal with situations on their own. The fourth way is positive behavior reinforcement. Praise and reward positive behavior such as acts of kindness and other ways of emotional maturity to promote and reinforce these important qualities. The fifth and final way is to discuss social skill building. Students develop social skills at different stages, so starting early and getting a head start can greatly benefit them in the long run. Incorporating group activities and cooperative learning opportunities to enhance social interaction and collaboration with other students is a great way to do it. To conclude, supporting social and emotional development for a student is not just an optional component of learning. It is fundamental and a pillar that will lay the groundwork for a child's future success and happiness. By providing a nurturing and inclusive environment for students to feel comfortable in developing these skills, we equip them with the tools necessary to face life's challenges with resilience, empathy, and confidence. If you'd like to schedule a professional executive functioning coach for a student, visit the link in our bio to schedule with one of our professionals. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's episode of TenneyTube. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Be sure to also hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video.